welcome in to another woolly review. We have got the Women's Institute Soft and Cuddly. Well, I'm not going to take it to bed with me, but it is very, very soft. This is available in 5 different colours, and the only place it can be bought is Hobbycraft. It is exclusive to Hobbycraft. And for a 50-gram ball, £4.50. I nearly fainted. A minimum of 2p from the sale of this item will be given to the National Federation of Women's Institutes. It is 100% acrylic, 125 meters approximately, and this is the color Striped Pink Mix. So let's give it a go. There we go. Oops. Don't go running away. I need you. So we're not here to judge how bad my crochet is, but we are here to judge wholeheartedly the Women's Institute Soft and Cuddly. So personally speaking, I'd say £4.50 is ridiculous. And only 2p going to charity, and you're charging all that much money? Oh, dear me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do 4 more. And then we will begin with a row of single crochet. It is very, very soft. I cannot fault that one ickle bit. Not one bit. It is extremely soft, almost polyester-like. It has got a lovely silky sheen on it as well. But we'll see how it goes. I have high hopes for this because of the high price, but we will see what happens. Now, while I'm doing this, you can see over in that direction, I have got stitch markers. Halloween stitch markers are up and in the shop, and I'm quite amazed that a lot have sold already. And of course, after Halloween comes Christmas. So next will be Christmas themed stitch markers. As soon as Halloween is finished, I won't put them out before then. I'm not going to be like the shops. But yes, my Etsy shop is down below in the description, underneath all the details for this wool that I'm using right now. So yes, if you're after more details that I'm not telling you in this video, have a look down below first, because it's a possibility that I've written it all out there. So I'm just doing a row of half doubles. And then my next row will be full double. It's very, very soft. Okay. Shall I say it one more time just for effect? This is very, very soft. I'm very surprised. It definitely looks and feels like an average DK weight-wise. You know, it's not too thin, it's not too thick. it feels like it's dead on DK. Pretty nice stitch definition, I would say. Okay, now I'm going to do one more row of single crochet. I want to do it so we've got 2 rows of each. And of course, I'm not here to judge the colour either, but we might get a transition. Maybe. Or maybe not. I'm actually looking at it. Maybe we won't. It'd be nice if we did, because then we can see what type of transition it is. If it's a straight one or if it's a slight one. I've got a feeling it's going to be a straight one. But we will soon find out, I think. So the last row of half doubles. It's like white crochet. But of course that comes later. And the last row of double crochet. Will we get the transition? Here it comes. Oh, I've just done that wrong, but never mind. So transition wise, I don't know if you can really see that, but we've got the peach up to there, and then we've got a partial white, a slight peach there, and then it continues in white. So literally my last couple of stitches, you're going to see them as white. Rather than peach. So there we have it. Very, very nice. I would say that that was akin to a baby yarn. The teensy bit of stretch in there. Nice stitch definition, and I'm not pulling that. I'm just holding on to the corners so that you can see. So let's try frogging. So we'll do a walk with a frog. Gentle stroll around the pond. And the frog suddenly sees an enemy and so jumps on his moped and zooms past. Kinkage, yeah, there's a fair bit of kink there. A fair bit of kink. So I'm going to wind this back on. I'm hoping you can see the difference between that one and that one. I'm going to wrap it around its middle, help with its waistline. Yes, it's very soft. £4.50. It's a lot of money. I don't think 2p to the Women's Institute is enough for such a high price. Turkey. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be really annoyed if that was the only thing DK wise and I had no choice? I had to get it. No. How much meterage was on it again? 125. Would I be? Well, it's not exactly what I was after. You don't have my usual. Well, I guess it's in my top 10. I'm going to push for 3.5. Now I'm taking 1.5 marks off for the fact that it's £4.50. It's a lot of money for a 50-gram skein. As soft as it is, as nice as it is, for that money, you know, the yardage is pretty, you know, it's a technical term. So I'm only going to give it a 3.5. It is lovely to use. There was no squeaking. It glided along the hook really nicely. There's 5 colours as well. It's not exactly loads and loads. 3.5 is my mark. That's it. That's all you're getting. So there you go. Maybe this was of benefit to you. Maybe it wasn't. Either way, please leave a comment down below. Let me know whether you'd give it a go. What do you think of the price? Remember, it's exclusive to Hobbycraft. You can't get it anywhere else. I guess maybe you might be able to grab it on eBay or Etsy if somebody is selling it. But this is what it is. There you go. So, for another woolly review next week, come back Thursday. And if you have a tendency to forget, then hit the notification bell. Of course, it would help if you subscribe, which is completely free. And hopefully I'll see you next week. So take care. Bye-bye.